Is your blood sugar high and doctors are only giving you pills? What almost no one tells you is that there's a natural breakfast that helps regenerate your pancreas after 50. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes you'll discover exactly what to eat tomorrow to balance your blood sugar without medication. This is the story of Carmen, a 67-year-old woman who believed her fatigue and high blood sugar were inevitable. Until she discovered a natural breakfast that changed her life. Today she wakes up energized, without medication, and her doctor still can't believe it. Maybe you identify with Carmen. Maybe you also notice that your body responds differently, that your blood sugar levels rise easily, or that you feel tired every morning. But I want to tell you something important. This isn't the end, it's time to regenerate your well-being. Our pancreas is a silent but vital organ. When it functions well, it maintains your energy, balance, and joy. When it weakens, we experience ups and downs and exhaustion. That's why today you'll discover how to regenerate it naturally, with a secret breakfast that will surprise you. Stay with me until the end, because you'll learn a natural, simple, and powerful method capable of restoring vitality to your body. And the best part, you won't need medication, just natural, affordable ingredients and a lot of self-love. And this is where everything starts to change. As we age, our pancreas works more slowly, not because it's damaged, but because it's been overloaded with sugar, stress, and bad habits. Imagine a machine that never rests. Sooner or later it needs cleaning and maintenance. Have you ever wondered how long it's been since you took care of yours? Many doctors agree that after 50, the body needs a different rhythm. But almost no one teaches us how to listen to it. We continue to eat the same breakfasts, eat in a hurry, and forget that true energy comes from natural foods, not processed foods. Luis, 72, understood when he started feeling weak. His blood sugar was rising, his digestion was slow, and he thought it was normal for his age. Until he changed his breakfast. Within a few weeks, his body began responding in ways it hadn't in years. Maybe something similar has happened to you. You try hard to stay active, but your body doesn't respond the same way. And then you think, I'm old now, it's part of the process. But no, that thought limits you. There's still a lot you can regenerate naturally. Our pancreas needs rest and clean food. It can't handle excess flour, fried foods, or hidden sugars. Every time we overindulge, we force it to produce more insulin than it can handle, and this constant effort ends up slowly exhausting it. Maria, 61, told me she was tired and dizzy every morning. Her blood glucose levels showed high. But when she replaced her usual breakfast with a natural one, everything changed. In just 3 weeks, her energy and mental clarity returned. Can you imagine feeling that way yourself? Waking up with real energy, without the need for coffee or sugar. Feeling your body working in harmony again. It's not magic, it's natural science. It just requires listening to what your body has been asking for a long time. Precisely for this reason, it's time to consider what we eat at the start of the day. Because breakfast can be medicine or poison. It all depends on what you put on your plate each morning. And the best part, you can make it easily, at home, without any complications. But before I tell you the secret breakfast, I want you to remember something important. Your body has a memory. It can regenerate if you give it what it needs. And this is where everything starts to change. The secret breakfast that regenerates your pancreas. We've reached the most important moment. Because yes, there is a breakfast that helps regenerate your pancreas naturally. It's not a magic recipe, but rather a clever combination of foods that cleanse, nourish, and awaken your cells. The best part, you can easily prepare it at home. This secret breakfast balances blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and improves digestion. It doesn't require any expensive supplements or products. Just natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. And when you eat it consistently, your body begins to change from within. And do you know what its base is? A blend of whole grain oats, chia seeds, cinnamon, and a touch of turmeric. Paired with low-sugar fruits, such as apple or papaya. This combination gently cleanses the pancreas and helps stabilize glucose naturally. I discovered it thanks to a group of naturopathic doctors who study how food awakens the body's functions after age 50. They demonstrated that this breakfast activates pancreatic enzymes, improves insulin sensitivity, and provides sustained energy throughout the day. So, if you're feeling weak, this is the first step to recovery. It's simple, accessible, and deeply natural. And the best part, you can adapt it to your liking. And now comes the most powerful part. The 5 key steps to regenerate your pancreas. Step 1. Wake up your digestion with warm water and lemon. The first step is very simple, yet profoundly effective. Before your secret breakfast, start your morning with a glass of warm water and a few drops of lemon. This habit stimulates the liver and prepares the pancreas. It gently awakens the digestive system and cleanses out the toxins accumulated overnight. Warm lemon water naturally detoxifies your body, improves digestion, and activates your metabolism. It's like saying a gentle good morning to your organs. After 50, this small ritual makes a big difference in your daily energy. To apply it, prepare your glass on an empty stomach before breakfast. If you prefer, add a pinch of turmeric to enhance its effect. Carmen, 67, repeats this little ritual every morning and smiles as she says, "It's my moment of connection with myself." Step 2. The secret regenerating breakfast. Now, the heart of the natural method. This breakfast combines whole grain oats, chia, cinnamon, and fresh fruit. Its balance of fiber, antioxidants, and minerals supports the pancreas and stabilizes glucose. It also fuels your cells with real, long-lasting energy. Oats cleanse the digestive system, chia regulates blood sugar, cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, and turmeric reduces inflammation. Together, they form a natural cocktail of internal regeneration. All without drugs, without chemicals, just living nutrition. To prepare it, mix 3 tablespoons of oatmeal with hot water, add a teaspoon of chia seeds, a pinch of cinnamon, and apple slices. Sweeten with natural honey if desired. Luis, 72, says this breakfast restored his mental clarity and spirit. He says this simple change completely transformed his life. Step 3. Move your body gently. After breakfast, spend 10 minutes moving around. It could be walking around the house, stretching, or dancing gently. Movement activates circulation and helps the pancreas distribute energy better. The body needs movement to regenerate naturally. Gentle exercise improves mood, regulates blood sugar, and awakens vitality. It's not about effort, but about consistency. After 60, the body appreciates slow, conscious, and intentional movement. Every step is a sign of life. You can do it at home, without any equipment. Walk while breathing deeply, moving your arms, and feeling your body. Maria, 61, does this every morning in front of her window and says, "I feel the sun renewing me from within." Step 4. Rest and meditate every day. Deep rest is another secret no one tells you. When you sleep well, your body repairs organs and regulates hormones. Your pancreas also rests, reducing stress and improving its function. Without rest, no food can fully regenerate your body. Getting a good night's sleep reduces inflammation, improves blood sugar, and strengthens your immune system. But it also nourishes your emotions. Because well-being isn't just physical, it's also mental. And inner calm is the ground where health naturally flourishes. Create a simple bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed, breathe deeply, and be grateful for your day. 10 minutes of silence are enough for your body to understand that it can heal. Remember, regeneration also means resting with love. This step completely changed 67-year-old Carmen's routine. Step 5. Be thankful and feed yourself consciously. The last step is the most spiritual and powerful. Giving thanks for each meal before eating changes your internal energy. Eating mindfully allows your body to better assimilate nutrients and your pancreas to work in harmony with your emotions. Science confirms it. When you eat calmly, you produce less cortisol, the stress hormone. This way, you naturally help the pancreas fulfill its function. After 50, gratitude becomes medicine. Eating peacefully heals you from within. Before every meal, breathe, look at your plate, and give thanks. It doesn't matter if you're alone or with someone. It's an act of self-love. This step changed the emotional lives of many, and this is where everything is reborn. Rosa, 70, had been taking medication to control her blood sugar for years. She felt resigned, hopeless. But when she changed her breakfast and started this natural method, her story took an unexpected turn. Today, her doctor reduced her dosage, and she regained her vitality. Carlos, 68, never believed in natural methods until he decided to try them. He swapped his white bread and coffee for oatmeal, chia seeds, and fresh fruit. In just 3 months, he lost weight, his glucose levels dropped, and his energy returned in ways he hadn't felt in decades. These testimonies aren't miracles, they're the result of returning to simplicity, to nature, and to listening to your body. Each story proves that after 50, and even after 70, you can still regenerate your well-being. It's never too late to start. As I was saying, it's not just about food, it's about self-love. Taking care of yourself without fear, without rushing, or without demands. Your body has wisdom and memory. Give it what's natural, what's clean, what's real, and you'll see how it responds. And this is where everything changes forever. If you've made it this far, you already know that your well-being depends not only on your age, but also on your daily decisions. Small changes can have big effects. Regenerating your pancreas after 50 is possible, naturally, with perseverance and self-love. Remember the 5 steps: warm water with lemon, a restorative breakfast, gentle movement, deep rest, and conscious gratitude. They're simple, yet powerful. If you practice them every day, your body will respond with energy, clarity, and balance. What's the first thing you'll change today? Maybe start your morning differently. Maybe quit a habit that no longer serves you. The important thing is to take the first step, because every choice you make can regenerate your health and your hope, naturally. If this message helped you, subscribe and share this video with someone who needs it. Together, we'll continue to create a community of well-being, love, and awareness. Remember, healing also means sharing what we learn with others. And don't forget this, every day is a new opportunity to feel good, without medication, with calm and gratitude. Your body knows how to heal. It just needs you to trust it. Remember, every day you can regenerate your well-being, naturally. Thanks for joining me this far, and I'll see you in the next video.